everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a Ampoule review from Mizon. Watch on for more details. Mizon Multifunction Formula Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. Do you have reddish or dirt trouble, vestige, sensitive and stressed skin? White pores, dark, dry, damaged skin, acne scars or wrinkles? Or do you just need concentrate nourishment? Mizon Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule, the pride of reborn skin, is a multi-care formula that helps rid of your flaws and insecurities. It's an all-around skin solution that improves many skin troubles that you might have. Not only is it anti-aging, providing wrinkle care, firming, lifting and brightening the skin tone, it also protects, soothes and nourishes. The rich snail secretion has a sticky, thick and elastic texture like honey that delivers nutrition fast. So the product provides better acne scars and vestige care, skin elasticity and moisture with the regenerative all-in-one product. Your past, present and future skin problems are covered. So now I'm saying that how is that packaging? The Mizon Snail Repair Ampoule comes in a sealed box with a Mizon sticker. It has a brown apothecary style bottle with a glass stopper at the top that allows you to control how much amount you want to use. The inner rim of the glass bottle comes with a little fitted plastic seal to prevent leakage. The dropper doesn't go all the way to the bottom, which means that when you are getting low on product, you have to pour it out onto your fingers without the dropper. The glass bottle is sturdy but not necessarily trouble-friendly. The ampoule has a slight chemical scent but it doesn't bother me. So the ampoule is filled with 80% snail mucin. The ampoule is textured is a slimy, clear, liquid consistency. The ampoule is sticky but once applied it gets easily absorbed into your skin. It makes your skin smooth and moisturized. So this product really works on improve fine lines, prevent the appearance of wrinkles and deeply hydrate your skin. So now I'm saying that how to use this ampoule. Use the glass dropper to take the right amount of product, which depends on each person. Drop the serum onto your T-zone, cheeks and chin and spread around. Gently massage until it's absorbed. Then go to your moisturizer. So yeah, this product is amazingly works on all skin types. If you're dry, oily, combination or acne prone or sensitive skin, this product is amazingly works on your skin. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends.